This is our door. I know it's not the cutest, but it's still somewhat pretty cute. Oh, hi, Indy. This is our unit. I know it's kind of a mess, but we're doing our best to keep it clean and finally get settled in. So, and then we have this couch cover on because Indy usually pees on it. She causes all sorts of trouble. Like, literally, like, when she gets into attitude mode, she will start peeing on every single thing. By that, I mean, if we don't feed her enough food or don't feed her on time, that's what she does. She likes to play a little revenge on us. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't show you yet. Take a look. So this is our unit. We have a pretty sweet view of the outside. Not just that, but we have a pretty sick and awesome view of the Chase fucking Bank. Time to feed the cat. Yeah, she will start pissing on the couch because she's angry with us or some shit. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't get to show you yet. Look at this. We made pumpkins like the other weekend. And this is Amelia's pumpkin. It's the devil cat and the god cat. Yeah, there we go. I forgot her name. Beelzebub or something? The Beelzebub cat and god cat from the TV show Exploded Kitten. Pretty cool. We painted these. It's pretty cool. So that's purple lights, and then you also have purple lights in the kitchen.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I like that first idea. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to another... I'm sorry, I try to be real with you guys, but obviously I'm not that real. I'm trying to get back into vlogging and picking up the camera again. I just got a new lens, by the way. It's very, very white. It's a fisheye lens by Sony. Not fisheye, but it's a 16 to 35 millimeter lens. I'm making coffee right now because we're about to go out and party and shit, but... Yeah, so I'm actually continuing this vlog from the other day. We were supposed to go to the pumpkin patch, but we never made it there because they closed so early and they stopped admitting people in after a certain hour, so we couldn't make it in, which is okay. We're gonna go to pumpkin patch this coming week, totally fine. And it is currently Saturday. We just came from a Huskies game. I'm wearing the UW Huskies, so go Huskies. Anyways, I'm making coffee. We just ate dinner. We're getting ready to go out to the bar later, and I'm gonna bring the camera with me because I'm gonna be vlogging our pre-Halloween night. Next week, we're going to Boo Seattle, which is a Halloween rave. I really can't bring the camera, but I'm gonna bring the camera tonight because we're gonna get dressed up in Halloween costumes. You'll see in just a second what we're dressing up as. I'm honestly, like, I need to be caffeinated right now. I just made some coffee. I started drinking a little bit of tequila a little bit earlier, and got some goodies too for next week's Boo Seattle for the rave, by the way. Just made coffee, about to sip on it. It's gonna be hot as fuck. Ah, yeah, that's fucking hot. Amelia's getting ready. Here are the two puppies. There's Piper, there's Teddy. Teddy's our new puppy, by the way. You guys have never seen him on the camera before, but now here he is.
Babies.
I know it's kind of a jump from the last time I vlogged. Lots of change since I picked up the camera and started vlogging. We moved up to Seattle. I live up here in Seattle now, which is crazy, and I have a Toyota 4Runner, which I proudly drive. I don't have the little handle. It would make this so much easier if I had a little gorilla pod. This is our son. Hi, say hi, Teddy. Say hi.
What is that? What is that smell?
What is that? All right, what's up, guys? We're going down right now. Oh shit, I can't see shit. It's kind of raining right now. I literally can't see, but oh fuck. It's literally raining right now. The wind is blowing so hard. There's a current windstorm and a rainstorm out in Seattle, Washington. I'm just recording right now just to let you guys know I'm okay, but we're handling it. We're handling the situation really well. We got the puppies, the power's going out. We're gonna go to our apartment in Kirkland. We're gonna rescue the dogs and we're gonna live to see the next day, all right? All right. All right, guys, so we're currently walking down to the boathouse, to the dock, okay? We're battling the storm right now. It's kind of windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but we're going down. But we're trying our best to survive, okay? Oh, fuck. How you feeling? Oh my God, how you feeling? We're heading down to the dock. I cannot see. I'm not gonna lie, I can actually not see where the fuck I'm going. The waves are brushing up so bad. You can't see, but it's harsh right now. It's harsh waves and harsh winds. You see that? You see that? You see those waves? 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 Oh. Oh shit! Ah! I'm getting splashed! I'm getting fucking splashed, guys. Holy shit, I can't even see. Oh my God. I almost tripped and fell into the lake. Oh my God, it's so windy right now. What the fuck? Yo, it's so windy. The neighbor's jet skis are being blown away. So, the neighbor's jet skis are being blown away. Oh my God, it's so windy right now. It is a fucking windstorm right now. The rain is blowing hard. I'm sorry, the wind is blowing hard. The rain's coming down heavy. I'm losing my voice and shit. Okay, we're gonna go back inside where it's warm. It's crazy. Okay, we gotta go back. Go, 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 go. There's something chasing us. Ah! There's a ghost. There's a ghost. Go, 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 go. There's something chasing us. Holy shit. Go, 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 go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, fuck. What the fuck is that? No, no, what the fuck is that? Guys, wait, there's fucking something. Oh, oh shit. This wheelbarrow fucking moved. It was literally right over here and it fucking moved. What the fuck? No, what the fuck? It actually fucking moved. I don't know, but it fucking moved. Oh shit. Okay, go, 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 go. There's something chasing us. Go, go, go. Oh shit. The shit. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? Alright, what's up guys? I'm dressed up as Neo from Matrix! Yo! Cue fake applause. Woo! Neo! You know I'm walking with my black jacket through the hallways. You already know I got the tea packet, making tea all day. Exactly why I'm cooked. I look like fake Neo out of a Matrix from Tamu. Good morning guys. I literally don't know what's going on in this video. Gotta fix my beanie. But anyways, we're going to Mount Rainier. I may sound stuffed up, that's because I am. What's up guys? Sorry if I sound pretty shitty right now, but we're actually in Mount Rainier National Forest. We're going up to a viewpoint so you guys can check that out in just a second. So we're on the trail that's honestly, I don't even know where the trail is taking us towards, but it's supposed to come up to a really cool viewpoint of the mountain. I can't really tell where exactly, but we're gonna look for it. Alright, so we're currently walking down this really steep walkway. We're currently at Pristine Falls, which is the destination that I wanted to go take a look at. And holy shit, this is literally the most epic view of a cool 69-foot waterfall. Hold on, just trying to get a better location for you guys to see. So that was the gorgeous view of the waterfall. I'll add some of the pictures into the video as well. Definitely edited, not raw by nature, no. But I'll edit those pictures, I'll add it to the video as well. Oh my god, I'm trying not to slip. Watch your step. Oh dear god. Finally, my first snow in person in the state of Washington. Yeah, I have not seen snow like that in Washington yet. No, I know. It's still the beginning of the winter season, or the end of the fall season going into winter. So right now we're trying to figure out this one spot, and I think it's this trail that we're on currently, where it takes you to this really, really up close walkway bridge right next to the waterfall. So that's where we're trying to head over towards. Hopefully that this is the right trail. So we're not entirely far up the mountain, but we're still high up enough where the air is very thin. Like I'm already running out of breath, and it's barely a steep climb. Love the sound of trickling water. We found the bridge, guys. We found the bridge. Oh my god. Don't fall. We are in the enchanted forest. Forest is enchanted. Enchanted it is. Oh shit, almost just sprained my ankle just now.
Enchanted forest, bitch.
Alright, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna start taking some more pictures on our way down the mountain. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is an interesting two-part take on the vlog. It's totally different like days, but I needed some content, so I'm splicing everything together. But if you guys did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If not, then just give it a thumbs down because if it's cringy. But yeah, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one.